Okay guys, so we are starting off exactly where we were last episode, except I wasn't all the way on the other side of the map. And I found this mosaic ornament. It's really nothing, so you guys didn't miss anything, but all it is decoration. Boom, just like that. Boom. There we go. It's not attached to anything. Wait, but I want to know, whose is the odd onion's favorite? The crystal slime. And it's an odd onion. Ooh! It's an odd onion. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wait, I wanna. Oh, wait, I barely have anything. But where should I put these? I won't put them in here, but I mean, like, it's gonna cost so much money. Wait, where should I put my odd onion? But I mean, okay, I'm gonna throw the odd onion here, wait. Cause who cares? Perfect. Now, let's just go to sleep. Rest. And I got some star mail. Oh. He lost his favorite fiddle while feeding a federal boom slime. It's very only sentimental, but you should try to find it. I would very much love to play with it again. Okay, I'm not gonna try to find it. Even if I do see it, nah, I don't care about you. Oh, they hungry, they hungry, they hungry. Okay, let's go feed them some food. Ooh, wait. Oh my, I hanged up the cloudy ornament right there. I just remembered that. Let's go this way. Who's calling? Ooh, Victor Humphreys. I'm pretty sure that's how you say his name. Okay, that's a lot of money, and 2 of those and those. But what are those? They like look green, like they're gonna explode like a boom slime. And they have this like green stuff around them. I know what that is. That's a rock slime. I have some over here. And they're hungry, so I need to go feed them. BRB, whatever your name is, Victor Humphreys. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. I need the carrots. Hey, you guys better stop. That's my carrots. Mine. No, yours. I want any carrots. Where did all the carrots go? There. Ah! Go. So what's combined with it? Wait. Okay, wait. What's the combined? I have a rock and a tab. So I can just go feed it these hens. Oh, why don't I just grab some hens? They're easier to find and stuff. And here, wait. Let me get rid of that. These. Yeah, move. Wait, actually. Wait, check these. Yeah, wait. Worth it? Oh well. Okay, I'm going. I'm at 80 HP. Let's pass these. Are you happy? Okay, hopefully you are. If you aren't, well, that's sad. But I don't care because you guys are just slimes, and I'm trying to catch you and make you, feed you, and yeah, that's really it. But you guys like stony hens, right? Stony hens? Yes. Wait. Perfect. Okay, boom. Let's collect those. Okay, perfect. Now, let's wait. What was I about to do? I forgot what I was about to do. But let's go over here. Wait, I'm gonna go down here. I remember seeing this place and right here, and I remember, yes, there's like some secret passageway. Ooh, it's probably like some ooh, what are these? Hot beats. Ew, no. Cause yeah, I thought there was gonna be a treasure pod here. That sounds very gross, but I mean, I'll collect these, I guess. I have no idea who likes them, but oh no. I'm parkour master. Jim. Oh, I'm so frustrated. Oof. Someone from Casey. Okay, I'll check that, but I want to see who do the heartbeats. The rock slimes, and I have those. Ooh, that's pretty cool, I guess. Wait, let me take all those. Yeah. Yeah, look at all that money. Yeah, and then I'm gonna be able to buy a garden. And that's gonna be really good. Oh, that's a lot of money. Yes, let's buy a garden right here. Yes, and I want to get a carrot. Oh wait, or a heartbeat, because those are the favorites, right? Wait, if I don't die, then... Okay, come on. Oh, they haven't grown. Haha. But I thought it was stuck though because I couldn't move. And yeah, so but I guess I'll just go couch for now. You guys eat. Oh no, I need one. Oh, phew. I do not want that to get eaten. But yes, I know I've built a garden and I'm gonna shoot it through here. Let's buy. Ooh, I'm gonna get this because it costs less. Oh yeah, I'm gonna meditate and see what happens. Because it takes time, but not a day. So let's read my star mail while I'm in here. I got 2. I've heard of gilded ginger. It's a mythical veggie that's said to be the food of the equally mythical gold slime. Some say it's never even exist. Some say that okay, well I know that it's a thing since he's saying it, so okay, I don't care about that. But I'm still thinking about the gilded ginger and the gold slime. Okay, I think the okay, it's something about a cactus that I don't care about. Yeah, let's try to find out where it would be, because I want to have that mythical thing. Ooh, it could be like right there, or like somewhere right there, or like ooh, or it could be like right there. I think it's right here on this tiny island in the middle of this tiny nowhere that seems impossible to get to. I think that's where it is, but I'm probably wrong. Yeah, I'm definitely probably wrong. Maybe if it ooh, that's good money, but I mean like Oh, yes. 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 I got carrots. Yay. I'm happy. Now eat up. Eat up, you big chunguses. Eat. Yes. Okay, fine. I'll shoot one at each. Eat. Eat. But you can still eat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ugh, okay. Wait, let's see if those hot beets are done growing. Hopefully, cause if those are the favorites, I'm gonna be like making serious money, guys. So let's go over here. Go down here. Yes. Just don't fall this time. Be very delicate and careful. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, okay. Go! Oh my gosh, that was a big boy jump. Now let's go this way. I got the heartbeat. And yes, okay, I'm safe from any bad stuff now. Now I got heartbeat. Yay! Now let's go back to my house. And I'm gonna grow them. I don't think I should buy another garden. I don't even think I can with $204. I'm pretty sure it costs $250. Maybe I can like destroy all of these, wake them out, make it to where it never grows again. Yes. Okay. I think I removed crops. Yes. Throw them in the trash. And it still keeps this. Oh, that's good. And now I can go the favorite food, heartbeat. And then I can throw those away because I don't care about them. Now we can go to sleep and see how much grows and see how much they grow. Hopefully, if they grow a lot, I'm gonna be like really happy. If they don't grow a lot, I'm gonna be really sad. Ooh, something about coffee. Okay, cool. I don't care about the big storm. Wow, sounds so scary. Yes. Oh. And this is our favorite food. This is way easier getting than stony hens. Are you guys hungry? Guess what? Eat your favorite food. Yeah. Yeah, you guys like your favorite food. Oh, whoa, you aren't even eating it. Okay, fine. Don't eat your food. But, guys, I think I'm gonna end my video off right here. And, comment down below if you want to see another episode. I'm probably gonna make one either way, but just tell me if you want one. And, see you guys next episode. Bye.